In this video, I'm taking a look at what I think is the coolest smartphone cradle ever. The AIRstik Cradle from Kapotas Designs. Hey YouTubers, Christopher here, and on this channel I make weekly gadget and tech reviews, so if you are new here, definitely consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And hey, if you'd like to know more about anything I mentioned in the video, I'll leave a link in the description below. So this is the AIRstik Cradle, and I want to give a huge thanks to AIRstik for sending out their products for me to review. The AIRstik Cradle is a smartphone cradle that is designed to stick to any smooth flat surface to hold your smartphone or even your tablet. The cradle is handcrafted from an extremely strong 1/8 inch polycarbonate, which is the same material used in safety glass and police riot shields. It is very lightweight and practically unbreakable. In fact, I tried to bend a piece of polycarbonate myself, but I was only able to bend it, and I had to hold it in a vice clamp just to do it. The cradle is very compact at only 2.5 inches in length, 1.5 inches in width, 3 inches in height, and it can easily hold up to 2 pounds. There is a cutout at the bottom front lip of the cradle to allow for charging in portrait mode. On the back of the cradle is the same AirStik pad that is on the AirStik wallet, which I recently did a review on, and I'll leave a link in the description below. It's perfect for sticking to your bathroom mirror, so you can catch up on watching YouTube videos while getting ready in the morning. You can stick the cradle to the fridge, so you can have that new recipe nearby while you cook. The AIRstik Cradle also works fantastic as a headphone hanger under your desk, and because AIRstik is not an adhesive, it won't damage the surface you stick it to or leave any residue. But what if you have something a bit heavier or a bit bigger you want to place somewhere? Well, that's where the AIRstik Cradle's big brother, the AIrstik Shelf, comes in. The AIrstik Shelf works exactly the same as the AIrstik Cradle. The shelf is made of 1/4 inch polycarbonate, which allows it to hold up to 5 pounds and doesn't have a cutout for charging. The AIrstik Shelf is awesome for holding stuff like your Bluetooth speakers. It also works great if you're looking to spruce up your desk setup without adding more clutter to your desk. Applying both the AIrstik Cradle and the AIrstik Shelf to the desired surface is as easy as lining it up and firmly pressing it in place. They will stick to any surface that a regular suction cup will stick to, surfaces such as walls, mirrors, windows, and even wood veneer. To remove them, you'll need to place one hand on the surface that the cradle or the shelf is attached to, and with the other hand, pull it away from the surface starting at one of the corners. Both the AIrstik Cradle and the AIrstik Shelf work fantastic, and there are so many ways to use them both. One thing that I would have liked to see on the shelf though, is a cutout at the back of the shelf for any wired devices that you may want to place on it. At the time of filming, the AIrstik Cradle sells for $24 US, or $31 Canadian, and the AIrstik Shelf sells for $54 US, or $70 Canadian for a set of 2. You can pick up the AIrstik Cradle in either black or white, and the AIrstik Shelf in black, white, or clear. But I want to hear from you. What do you think of the AIrstik Cradle and the AIrstik Shelf? Let me know in the comments below. If you did go on to enjoy this video, or it helped you out in any way, feel free to hit that like button, and consider subscribing for more weekly content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.